Hey guys, so some people asked me to make a video about factoring these polynomials, and I wanted to show you number 20 on the page we worked on today. First period, the page looks a little different, so don't worry about it. But everybody else, this is what it looks like. So how I like to solve these first is by identifying the factors for each of these numbers. Okay, so I make a little chart and I say factors of, my first number is 18. Okay, factors of 18, 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. All right. Factors of 24, things that multiply together to give me 24. 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Okay, already we see some of these are repeating, and so that's good. Lastly, 36. Here's 36. So we have 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and 6 times 6. Okay, so remember, it's called greatest common factor. So I have to pick the largest number that is in all three lists. Okay, well, 36 is clearly not in these lists. 24 doesn't work either. 18 is only in 2 of them. 12, 12, no 12. 9 and 9, but not 9. 8's only here. I'm down to 6. So 6 is going to be my greatest common factor for my number. So I'm going to put 6 right there. Okay. Now I can look at my variables. Is x in each of these? No. It's only in these first two, so it doesn't come out here. Is y in each of these? No, it's not. What about z? Is there a z in all of these? Yes, there is. So this is my greatest common factor, 6z. Now I divide each term by 6z. Okay, so that looks like this. 18x squared yz divided by 6z. Well, this cancels that, and this goes to 3. So I have 3x squared and a y. 3x squared y. Now I'm going to do the same thing for this term. 24x z divided by 6z. Cancels out. 24 divided by 6, well, that goes to 4 over 1. So now I have 4xz. Last one. $36 z over 6z. Cancel, cancel. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So I am left with 6yz squared. Okay? Any questions, shoot me an email or save them for tomorrow. Okay? Can't wait to see what you guys come up with.